today we are in Syokimau, a project just near the expressway and some few minutes away from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. So come with me.
Fog, am I always gonna feel this way? Skip my coffee and lunch, trying to manage the day.
Door. Immediately you enter, you have your kitchen here. It is a closed kitchen with cabinetry well done. At the top and also at the bottom, you have the smoke extractor and the oven. And then behind, you have the laundry area. Just direct, you have your dining area strategically placed, and then the living area. The living area opens up to this private balcony, which allows natural lighting inside your house. Here is the private balcony. Come with me, let's see the bedrooms. You have the common bathroom to be used by the guests. And also you have now your first bedroom. All the bedrooms here, they have the cabinetry. They have the wardrobes and good windows, large windows for good natural lighting. This is the other second bedroom. It can also be used by your kids and guests, still with a wardrobe. And then the master. The master is in suites. It has its own bathroom. And then the space is also good. The wardrobe also and good large windows for good natural lighting. Yeah, that is it about these 3 bedrooms. Maybe about the amenities that you get here. They have the kids play area. They'll be having a swimming pool, and each and every block will be having lifts. So it's a
Tell me what's up, run it up, this ain't regular. Any up, give me some of that love. Tell me what's up, run it up, this ain't regular. Any up, give me some of that. Hey you, looking at me, looking at you. How you doing? But you're wondering if I had some time to spend. But that depends all on you. So what you wanna do? Tired of the games, I ain't got all day. Sweep you up off your feet, babe. That's your life without me. God, that's what you need. I can love for love, I'm here for your love. This is a stick up. Top at the top, la 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 la. Baby, you want it, you know I want it. So you some on it, boom chocolate, yeah. Give me all you got, don't stop. Oh, you so bad, throw it in the bag, oh baby, you so want it. Green light, green light, 1, 2, 3. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Put your hands where I can see. That's a me free. Say you got something for me. So tell me why you stalling, you falling. That's right, you know you want it. Hey you. Looking at who? Looking at me. APP on CNIC. Want that cream? Yeah, give me that heat. Tryna see if it's 6 for hits. Let me get it. Not in it for a quick leg.